Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 75312, Lego Star Wars Boba Fett Starship. And they call it Boba Fett Starship, but Star Wars fans always know it as Slave One. This is Boba Fett's ship. Very distinctive shape. I believe this is the one from Season 2 of The Mandalorian. I mean, especially since it comes with a Mandalorian minifig in the set. I'm excited to build this one. It looks like a very nice display Slave One. I like the angles that they use to, especially this front part of the ship that sticks out from the rest of the base. And it just looks like a fun set to build. So, $593 retailed for about $50 US, and I believe is now a retired set as of the filming of this in 2024. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Boba Fett Starship, and I have the completed model right here. I gotta say that I'm really impressed with the construction of this set. I'm actually holding on to it with a handle that's included, a Technic, parts handle. You can actually hold it from the back like this. I think that's a very nice feature, especially since the ship flies in a vertical fashion like this. I think it's really cool. It actually lands horizontally if you've never seen Star Wars. So put that down and it'll sit flat on a tabletop like this, which is actually really cool. Hidden in this part of the ship, there is a hatch that lifts up and that you can put this piece, which is a sticker piece attached to one of these really super long dark gray bricks, Gandhi guard and carbonite. And you're able to just put it in there. You can even close the hatch, for easy cargo, for Boba Fett transporting his prisoners to their destination. I think that's a really cool play feature. Nice to have that. It comes with a display stand right here, brick built. So it can be displayed vertically. So this single 2x2 green tile is what helps keep it in position. I'm gonna try to emulate what it looks like. So this ladder piece sits right there, and the bottom of it sits on those grate pieces on this, and it can display freestanding like that, which I think is a really cool display option. I appreciate that from Lego. That's attention to detail. I'm going to turn to the minifigure selection. So in addition, this is not really a minifigure, but this is a really cool little extra piece. Minifigure selection, we have Boba Fett, which I've built already at least one Boba Fett before. I like the arm printing detail on this particular Boba Fett. It's very nice. Helmet, and it actually comes with an expressive face. I like that too, printed face. Same cannot be said for the Mandalorian minifigure that's in the set too. Now, I do like this minifigure. It comes with, nice gray, one of the very stiff brick gray capes, and this is like pre-Beskar armor Mandalorian, like season 1 Mando. Still in his brown outfit. I like the arm printing, leg printing, torso printing on the back is really cool. Kind of an odd choice, but they just included a simple solid black minifigure head instead of a printed Din Djarin minifigure head, which they have since done other versions where he has a face printing on it. It comes with the Beskar spear and a blaster. I think it's really a really cool little minifigure. Sets it apart, from any other Slave 1 sets. This could have been just a generic Slave 1, but the inclusion of the Mando figure makes it securely from the Mandalorian TV show. Going back to the construction a bit of the ship itself, very detailed. I like a lot of the detail on the back, all these plates and tiles and other pieces on the back. Very cool, very sturdy construction. This thing is put together really well. I must admire the designers when they did this set. The cockpit does open, and you can position your Boba Fett minifigure inside. Sticker pieces or stickers in this set, there's mostly on the front. One sticker piece on the cargo, the Marine Guard cargo part. Some like battle damage on the sides of the red fuselage. These rotate here. We got some stud shooters right here. Nice play function. Overall, very impressed. I never had a chance to put together the UCS, the 20th anniversary Slave 1, the larger model. I've seen it built on YouTube. But I'm very happy to get this smaller size Slave 1. It's going to be a very nice addition to my collection. I like it a lot. And that brings me to the end of my review. And I hope you enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed building it for you. Please follow me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram. Links are in the bio or the description. And give me a like and subscribe on this channel here if you like my content. And that'll do it for today. Keep on building. Bye.